So welcome back to day 2 of our advent calendar build. Day 1 was a little bit disappointing. We only got this little tiny piece of plastic for the chassis. Larry here got a little bit bored, and you probably did at home as well. But day 2, we are going to open the window and see what we get. Let me just, there was day 1. So where is day 2? There we are, right next to it. So what do we get in day 2? Can't even get into it, and there we are. So day 2 we get a bit of suspension. Okay, so we've got our trailing links there, we've got our electrical wire for the motor, we've got our motor hidden in the axle there. It is a completely solid axle, completely locked, with no diffs or anything like that. And there we are. That is very quick and very simple. Nothing else to really show. So this is what we've got so far. This is our day 1 and this is our day 2. So you can see we've got all the trailing arms there with your motor and your diff and axle. It's completely locked axle, so it's a live axle and everything will rotate off there. It is going to be rear wheel. No, it could be 4-wheel drive because it'll have a motor on the front axle. So I think this is 4-wheel drive. Yes, I believe it is. So it's going to be dual motor from what I understand, but this is 2 days and this is what we've got. Anyway, thank you for joining us on our advent calendar build. The idea is that these are going to be short snippet videos. They're not long form, so you have to watch them each to get the full build. I will do a complete amalgamation montage at the end of the full build, so hopefully you'll stick around to watch our progress. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Stay amped and Merry Christmas.